exceptional case. Nana pursued O-level and A-level courses privately and gained admission to the university. His educational journey led him ultimately to the University of Ghana, Legon in 1970, where he pursued and completed a bachelor's degree, establishing himself among the small but growing cohorts of Ghanaians who had accessed university education in the years surrounding independence. At Legon, he was a proud resident of Appiah, one of the university's most distinguished halls of residence. Named Nana of the farmers whose contribution underpinned the cocoa economy that built in modern Ghana. The choice of Appiah was in retrospect quietly prophetic. Farming will remain of the great loves of his life and the values of hard work, rootedness, and productive engagement with the land that the whole name evokes will finally delay daily expression in the man he became. His years at Legon gave him more than a degree. They gave him a framework for engaging with ideas, a widened sense of human possibility, and the intellectual confidence to move through the world with purposeful authority. He left the university carrying the marks of a man who had been genuinely educated, not merely certificated. Career in education. And now Brenyah's education was teaching. He pursued it with the seriousness and dedication of a man who understood that the classroom is among the most consequential places a society possesses. The formation of young minds at a time when education was the primary instrument of national development in post-independence Ghana. He taught at TI Major Secondary School in Kumasi, one of the city's most respected educational institutions, where he developed the craft of teaching and built a professional reputation that will carry him to greater responsibilities. His years in the classroom were not merely a preparation for advancement, they were a calling fulfilled daily in the patient, disciplined work of explanation, correction, encouragement, and inspiration that good teaching requires. The recognition of his professional distinction came into his appointment as Assistant Headmaster of Bantima SDA Senior Secondary School, a position of significant institutional responsibility that placed him among the educational leaders of his generation in Ashanti region. As headmaster, he was not simply an administrator, he was the keeper of the school's character, the young people entrusted to his care. By all accounts, he discharged his responsibilities with the same combination of fairness and warmth that characterized his approach to everything he took.
Nata Sumanso Hene Yura Kotoko Hene Brimpon Cassia, Awo, Asante Mantamu, Hanamo, Na Yakasa Tasmanso, Sabi Nato, Oye Yura Kotoko Hene Brimpon Cassia, Awo, Aquamfoku, Awo, Asante.
Global Ghanaian restaurant, and giving him perspective on his own international experiences and lives him without putting him. He returned always to Kumasi, to his culture, and to the traditions that gave his life its deepest meaning. Now to his instruments at Kumasi, Asafo, Nkonwasoafo. In 1985, the then Edmond Commission, the Asante Traditional Society, from Bristol. He was installed as Nkonwasoafo, assuming his true name, Nana Appiah Brenyah Asare II, and taking his rightful place within the traditional authority structure of Asafo, serving under the traditional leadership of Nkonwasoafo and Asafo. The instrument was not the beginning of the service to his people. In He was a stem of heritage to continue what his ancestors proudly discarded, and his embodiment of values that Asante tradition holds most dear. As Nkonwasoafo in the Appiah Brenyah or his traditional authority with a dignity that was more commanding than ostentation. He understood the stool not as a throne of personal elevation, but as a seat of obligation, a weight placed upon his shoulders by the ancestors, the community, and the institution of Asante chieftaincy itself. He mediated disputes, counseled families, represented his people by traditional gatherings, upheld the customs and ceremonies that connect the living to the ancestors, and ensured that those within his sphere of authority remain connected to the cultural heritage that defines Ashanti identity. He was especially committed to ensuring that his children and grandchildren never lost touch with who they were, their traditions, their customs, their greetings, the values of respect, humility, and the service that Asante culture demands. He taught them poems, recited wisdom that had been passed on through generations and modeled in his own person what it meant to inhabit two worlds. He lived in Nkonwasoafo, Santasi, and finally at Kokobibu. Our father was very entrepreneurial, and therefore farming and entrepreneurship was always his pride, alongside his career in education and his responsibilities as traditional ruler. He was a man of the earth. He loved farming with a passion that was not nostalgic sentiment, but practical engagement. He found because it connected him to something fundamental about human life and the Ghanaian soul. He maintained a poultry farm throughout much of his adult life, rising early to tend his birds, pick up eggs, with the same discipline, attention he brought to nearly a livelihood supplement. There was a declaration of values, a statement that a man of education entitled was not too elevated for the productive work of the land. His entrepreneurial life found additional expression in a retail business that he established and developed with characteristic tenacity. The business grew, transformed, and ultimately became one of the defining features of his public persona in his community, a celebrated establishment known as Vibration, a pub that has become far more than a commercial venture. It's a social institution, a gathering place where people can come together, where laughter echoes, where music played, where the rhythms of community life found a focal point. It bore his name in spirit and carried his imprint in the warmth with which it received all who entered. That a trained teacher, a traditional ruler, had also built a thriving business entirely consistent with the character of a man, was defied narrow categorization and embraced life in its full variety. What emerges from any honest accounts of Appiah Asare II is a man of extraordinary breadth and coherence. He was educated and traditional, professional and entrepreneurial, disciplined and joyful, deeply rooted and genuinely cosmopolitan. He moved through the worlds of the classroom, the palace, the farm, the pub, with equal authority and equal warmth, never losing himself in any of them. To many, he was more than a father. his own children, he was a father figure to countless others. His whole heart and counsel was always open to those in need. He offered encouragement to the discouraged, support to the struggling, and guidance to the lost. His kindness, generosity touched lives far beyond his immediate family. His presence brought comfort, his words brought wisdom, and his actions reflected genuine care and compassion. He was above all a father, not merely in the biological sense, but in the fullest human meaning of the word. His love extended far beyond his own children to encompass all who came his sphere of care. He was a disciplinarian whose corrections were inseparable from love. A teacher whose lessons continued long after his students had graduated. A chief whose authority was grounded in service rather than privilege. And a man whose faith rooted in scripture, particularly Romans 12 and Psalm 91.
Nkonwasoafo ayi neat aba ho abo kwafre baako nso Nkonwasoafo no eba ntem ema no esrese wo pese wo eka wo eke nso sinse apreka ko wo se edu ifie ho ebrebe na etu aso so ewo nti ema ne de ebehwe asaka okay ti nana and then for radio in the same Appiah Nkonwasoafo also so yeah. If a friend in my man will na Appiah, my junior team educational association. Yahuwah ewo ewado ewado tie mpae ho otu for it was say, Okana, Appiah, Brenyah, Asare, just you, and
we are settled. Let us say, we must have prayer. You are so about Asafo. Enti, I was there, Yakwatu was so no fear, and seeing never sorry, Yachi in Sura, Kakra, and Sam. Erade, Onemo, and Otumfo ma ko Nyankopɔn ya mechichire nyina Nyankopɔn on chichire yewre ewo yeme ewu ewo na okoso akayo onwe ebuban na omiye nichie de bia ewo ya brabo wejaro obano ene susu konkro Yesu no ewie ni ifiri ha yekotoaso ewo ifi yedunyame ase basefia konkro
Abusuan sese yaye awufusom no ewo Roman sorry dem no so atasoma so na atasoma so hene ye crop ya Asante Kotoko hene Brempon awo no so Asante Mantamu awo akwamfoku Mami ke eye ejaba awo no sebe ya wotini suo se adofo nyina emra mepepa na niase nisuo oba ke oba kwadu papa bi oba nyansafo oba kokrodufo ya ne papa afra ne tomatintini mu na wo ye papa Dottie na amamre ne amane kwan so se wo bai wo ne wonuanom nyina banan na abusia yenhwe empempre ye wie awufusom no ye ama sebe ohene woda empam ya wokwa kura na se amamre ne amane kwan so se ohene akwa kura se wo se ye no Dottie na ye na Abrempon ye sebe Asante amamre ene amane na ene yenyina yaba bepiemu ewo atasoma so ejapa na enne ya enne so wo ye obapa nimpon aye awono eda empem na abusuan yehwe nana Appiah Brenyah Asare the second ono so etoso mienu oye otumfo akwamhene Asafo Hene Nkonwasoafo Hene ene apakwakura nti amamre ne amane kwan so abusua ene ma enyina eye papa Dottie ene wonyina banan ababepiemu ewo atasoma so Roman sorry dem obakunafo nso ene nabusua wonso enyina banan eye sabe wo yensi yie wo obakunafo abusua wonso yensi yie awon nyina obakunafo eto obakunani emprempre woni ne ma obakunani wotini suo mame ba kwani woni ne ma ene abusua enyina tinisuo ya woti abese no ya emprempre won akohwe ni wura ne dabiti na de enyina akohwe ne niachi etoso etwato akra ya ne ba mame kwadu wonso wotinisuo wontimi entena mame kwadu wontimi entena se ne papa ekwakura se ne papa kwakura dia ene wono so wontimi entena abusua enyina banan ababehwe eja emu ene eja adi nkra etwato ewakura na amamre ne amane kwan so nananom atenkonya so wa wonwo Asante Mantamu nyina so abanan ababepiemu ewo Kumase Asante Mantamu hanomo ahaya konkromu ase no so wo Asante Mantamu hanomo yehwe embrepre emano etimi enyina ya won etimi suo ya won tempentenkwa na mamike woni wonuanom emabesia ya won ene won papa ekwakura ya wotini suo wobi emfa duku emmo won yam na ene wonyina ene otwajajuo wonyina ene won papa edinkra won papa won si bibi enche ne mama ene won wawo mama na ene won papa won bedidie ama nana ebie edie nana eye Asante Mantamu sabe akwamu hene Nkonwasoafo ehene enti ene nana akwakura amamra ne amane kwan so ema esu etwajajuo wonua ene sabe bema esu ema no esu ya wo Asafo Hene, Asafo Wache, out Sabi, Yura, Kotoko Hene, Nebrimpon, Natsakoya, ND, anymore, Yawo, Ade, Yura, Asafo Hene eye kotoko Hene brempon kase a wo Asante Montamo na trankonya na nanoma trankonya a wo Asafo akwamu ahemfie na won edikan yede won wura eba beche eko sebe wo ko emunumu na obakwa kohwe emunu wo Hene kwakura enti omo ko ekura akwakosa wo Hene so nasa
blah blah.
Abetre.
Timaya, Yawani Abre, Yawranam Nani Brasua, Yawranam, Asafo Buachano, Ajamai Bonsu, Otumfa Kwamuno, Yawranam Nani Braso, Nkonwasoafo deputy Amuno, Yawranam, Wanam Nani Braso. Achama kwaso ankasa Yawranam.
Somebody got
Natasmanso Hene and Sabi, a mamma and a money conso. One Nania Penny, a dumpem, Yayani Dottie. Me banco my mochi. Natasmanso Hene. Abusia say ye share santri dudu na emema ediani mu a ye abusia sebe ade aton ani emma sebe won de duku abon yamu na wotwa dwadwo ye won papa aye won papa doti ye na ene mamrani amane kwan so yewura krobia sante kotoko hene yewura 246 to babio ono ane brempon na asafo wache Asafo Hene akwamu Hene ababetina mu na woye amamre ne amane de woye amamre ne amane de na je se sebe Dottie na ekoso ewo Kumase Asante Mantamu hanom ye Atasomanso na empempre ya yesha abusuani nyina ba nan abusuani nyina ba nan a won egbomu akwakochia Yura Kotoko Hene Brimpon, Asafo Boache, our Udikan, our Tosso, the first. Na Yenshe, a mamma Amania Council, and Ma, and so, Winina, about 9, about 1 Cobinimu, I net 1 year, 1 Papa Dottie. Bushana Chamfo Safubache, Krabia Santa Copo in Brempon Cassia, Yawo, Asante, Montemo, a Comfocuno, Onone, Sebi, Brempon Cassia, Oda, Ecuno, Ano, Ewo, Asante Memo, Yakase Yura, Cotocohine, Brempon Cassia, Nasa Fubacha. Ono any nipa and not Sebi, two one say Yura, Cotocohine. Sinemu ene Nkonwasoafo woye ni Dottie abusia sese abusia abia tonwani ebema na Asafo Hene akwaba sonko kese
Yo, and the Nkonwaso Sabre, Santia Atua Ebay, a year or 2 4 or say to 2. Or you call back to the cashier, what you am Tisica Futrocasa, Sabre, Nachia Mefo. I and Anapa Hene Nana Mensa, Sabre, one now Matruha. A mobile Bema Yura, and the Obusiana shutting, Netakna.
Ya umrema nim.
Sabre, Tumfo, Achiamenum, Namadoroma, Yuranom, and Chum, Madame Blue, Nanabana Hene, Nanamensa, Agrompa, Sabre, Yuranom, and Chum, Madaroma, Ombabema, Abusianina, Shetting, Metaka.
Can't watch it. Watch it, what's something in
Hello, 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 hello.
Ehinu do aye ninua ebe ko bem. Wasi amamre ni amane kwa so de dikan. Wasi mi ni mamamre mi nsa ya mane. Wasi sabre ni blo ni nsa pentu. Wasi madama abushi edi amano. Yewura si ontimi ma ninua enko samadeja. Sabia bru sabia sonse de ya yewura dru ense do a. Obenya amane bosu bi di abonti. Ebia na dwabo bi ato yewura wokwam. Yewura isablo kutani bonwen sadua so. Wasi madama Wadija ninua na no menua ni gira dua cross o wanti to na akrabo ato wadija ne kwan oso awia ne mentuku eya so ne hyanti ade abo ano dontom ne petia eya no ose ne petia ni dinde owuo be men da bai na ba mo be men ena no no de wodi akoye ene wa ma na akwam ne ni ata akokọ waye wadna de nyina ekwa da bai na ba mo be men wada roma na sade jabra atasoma so hene ninua panyini po ene da for me na kwankwajade a odija ninua kwan eno no menim se yewura besom ade agu ne de hye so mi som a ena me se atwie na bretu oba das ye bru das ye nyama pia o
na po kompo sa wadar ma mesre woni di kasa kakra mijine ha na mijina ma na kujo oni ninua kwame omso enche bia na omo maso brechi abo no wabusua na kujo oni ninua kwame ba omso mkro mu sem 500 Ghana cedi na ensusu na nto abusua maje ntimadase
So no nema
so
Maya Salota Supayama, a pocket to be so at the one man. None of Madame may put to see a friend in your maternity. Saturday,
Now, Mom Fontaine, a crop ya Sante Cotocohine, Wafa, Nimpon, Cotocohine, you wrote 247 top of you. No Wafa, Nimpon, and then ne, Wababe Pimu, a year say Hanomo, one in your Nasra so Hene, as a so Ababe Pimu, a ha, Cotocohine, Abrampon 4, as a so a Yura, Nata Smaso Hene. One on nipa sabi ninua panyi ene da ho a ninua panyi kwakura ene nananom atsankonya a wonwo Asante mantamu nyina ba bebo ni chidom amama ne dak na abema ne hyeden sukupa so wa amamre ne amane kwan so a ene na nananom atsankonya so
Yo, and your grandson, and I'm matching a man, Hene, what a Roma. One no man, you need to get your cross for 1 to an hour. Now come on, me radam or hinting with your brutal one and all. What's in a bit of one thing I know? Won't worry, another free boss war. Yamania, there's some trouble. What talk now? What bememo? Piao, a war. Sabre, what a Roma. Michina ha, Namichina hama, a what yana. Nkonwasoafo na ye brada fitia mu yi eye na busua a wodamo asona won prekwa busua ofo nanu mo mudi adene to nanu mo matikwate se obi anim ye hia mo hwe mo biom abre wanka bie ne nanom sabia ku sabia braw omo yade ayemfo mo modu yeni esanso de yeni o maho ofentu odu yeni bewia no makasa asona ni ane honya fe no no ni mumu esade ma me kura damfo na Brenyah na busua a wodamo eno no wo mo se sabre ye bra wada Roma. You see, a whoopee and a ready. What does she prepare dance as well? And then Nkonwasoafo them. And the what this year at Nakobamudia, Sabre Nabusia, what them was Nabusia, Abusia Penina Quasitia, at Tano, almost a month to my what this year and Quasamadija. As I see a whoopee, Miradama, and a ready. Almost a Sabre, Omukuta, Omupon, at Yashua, almost a Sabia Brusabia song. Yeah, this is prepare dance as way. What Nampenny Dashodia, almost a Santipon, race at Yashua, and a Yas. No, omulisabi ebru yase anturu nananom asonafo asona ofo nana mo prekwa achimfofori ata nananom sika botre bomutre nananom asonafo madam ebru mudi yenim baabi mufri baabi dia ene na berewa wasa ena na de hye ne mo enti nananom madam mamatie simu die ene ene oboni ani die kwaso na achi ame no migusu ame kasa dia ene ene obaprani nananom madama waya dua na twa brade nyakopasa chi obai ni kromu ene ye kromu ahwerewa mame ahwerewa de hye mami wo frahim fie no frahim fie na Hene kasa dia no nim baabi a wo fire wasemi nua ba di hima ye sa na me wo fa so diri Hene ma ne ye ne sento ya de hye po na wabeto na nanom ade hye wose miwra me wale wonana o ya de hye me de me dia to hosomo enra nwumre na nanom ada ma eburu kontrofisa bi suma ne mani na nanom asrafo ani tua ya be ye de sese ye wo ye bibiara na no brother wo ye de obetimi biara wo papa mami yes adu bofo wo ye Mrs. Paul Mrs. Elizabeth Brenyah ba ko pe wo bia ka ho mami wale pa awale ye to paja ni ku no kire ni ku ba bia na be ma ni free na be ma ni kire fi dudu a wanya yi a na free mami awale pa awale no wa fa kwa abone anku no wo wale ni yi wo ni papa nche no woni dem wo hwe se de mami tiri mu asempati a wote ho sunduem wo si be ma nei sanka ja ma wale akura ko yi nka meba esa akono ma wo dia mami ni ma ba hwe ni monyam ne senti aduana ba a ne papa free ja achekunta ase ha wo si dia na me ye me dia me timpata akromo etimi ni ba bia mi kasa akro na nanom kasa no kasa kire de wo ye ne nra obi be kase na chekure na nanom da bi na chekure na mo na hye ni monyam enwo ne to wo amo ne kanfo ma me ye de sese wo ye wo si abosia no wo sa no wa be ma se wo turu ya wo da the safety ma me this is what I be oba pe wo fo me chire wo se wo fo ba pe ma ni ye say wo si ni group of da se wa no fo ni ye sa na wa ni ni na ja pa wo sa pa wo pa se wo yo be ki ko wa mo bi ni sa pa nya ko so na wo no e ti sa pre se ni group of dem ye wa tie so dia wo si to ti ye wa de na na this ye dia e pa na na ma da me bu wo be wi ase wa de no ye trewa no ye be di wa wo ye bo fo a wo se ni mo nyam na na no ye be tu ba wa rata so ko e fo mo a jo wa ko ha no wa wo be mo se pe ni se e ni wo wa bo ni ma sha no so ati me mu e tu be na abe no wa fa dia e ni na de ko be de dia so wa I know what here.
Yeah.